In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove a hanging indent in Microsoft PowerPoint with clear and simple instructions. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This is the first step toward making the necessary formatting adjustments to improve the appearance of your text. Once you have successfully launched PowerPoint, locate and open the presentation that contains the text with the hanging indent. Taking time to open the correct file ensures that you are editing the right document. After opening your presentation, find the specific slide containing the text with the hanging indent that you wish to remove. Carefully select the text that is currently displaying the hanging indent. This selection indicates which text you would like to reformat, and ensuring that your selection is precise will help avoid unintended changes to other parts of your slide. With your selection complete, direct your attention to the Home tab, which is easily visible on the main ribbon bar at the top of PowerPoint's interface. The Home tab is where many of the primary formatting options are located. Within the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. This group contains several formatting tools related to textual layout, including alignment and spacing options. Once you have located the Paragraph group, you will notice a small icon referred to as the Paragraph Dialog Box Launcher. When you see this icon, click on it to open the full Paragraph Settings dialog box. Opening the dialog box allows you to access more detailed options that are not visible in the simplified Home tab view. Inside the Paragraph Settings dialog box, direct your focus to the indentation section. In this section you will find several options that help you control how your text is indented on the slide. Look for the option labelled Special, which is designed to provide specific types of indents such as a hanging indent. To remove the hanging indent, you will need to change the current option. Click on the drop-down menu associated with Special and choose the option labelled None. By selecting None, you instruct PowerPoint to eliminate any special indentation formatting, including the hanging indent you are adjusting. After making this change, ensure that you review the adjustments on your text to verify that the hanging indent has been removed as expected. If all appears correct, proceed by clicking the OK button within the dialog box. This final click confirms the new formatting settings and applies the changes to your chosen text in the slide. Throughout this process, it is important to proceed step by step, ensuring that each action is performed accurately to achieve the desired outcome. Following these instructions guarantees that your text is properly reformatted without the previous hanging indent. This detailed approach will help bring clarity to your presentation and maintain a professional appearance in your document. Enjoy the ease and flexibility of modifying text formats in PowerPoint, knowing that these steps can be repeated whenever similar formatting adjustments are required.